Eat healthy, drink water, use body scrub on your skin. You're going to tell the difference. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Blessing. If you are seeing my face for the first time, thank you so much for stopping by. Please join the family by clicking the subscribe button down below. And yeah, let's get right into the video. In this video, I'll be sharing a few tips to help you take your skin to the next level, to help you improve your skin, especially if you don't like makeup like me. I don't like makeup. I'm not a fan of makeup. I don't hate makeup, but the thing is, I'm just too lazy to do makeup on. So for that reason, I try to make sure I take care of my skin as much as possible. So even without makeup on, I still look great. So if that is what you're interested in, please continue watching. Tip number one I'll be sharing is for you to use sunscreen. Guys, there is this myth going on that it is only the white people that need sunscreen. The thing is, it is all lies. As a dark skin girl or brown skin girl or melanin, whichever your color is, you also need sunscreen. Sunscreen is so important, guys, because I remember then I used to go out without sunscreen on, because there's that thing that, oh, you don't need, you're a black girl, you don't need a sunscreen, you're a black girl, just go. Guys, it is all lies. You need to protect your skin, you need to protect your body. So if you're going out from the house, make sure you have your sunscreen on. For me personally, when I'm going out of the house, I use the SPF 50. When I'm in the house, I use SPF 30, just because of the sunlight you get from your windows and the rest, or maybe you're going to the garden. So that's why I use a lower SPF. But if you're going out of the house, make sure you use at least SPF 50 to protect your skin. Another thing is for you to stick to a budget. There is no two ways about it. I'm going to be filming a video after this one on how to take care of your skin, like a skincare routine on a budget, right? You don't need to break the bank for you to have a good skincare routine. You don't need to have £1,000,000, £500, or what have you. You can also have a good skincare routine with products bought from Boots or Superdrug, and they are really, really affordable. So make sure you have a budget, because if you don't have a budget, you are going to struggle. I'll give you an example. When I was struggling with like eczema on my face, so I was watching a lot of these YouTube like beauty content creators, right? The thing is, some of them I was watching, I saved up, right? So I went online and I bought this item, this skin product. They were, I think, about roughly £180. At that time, that was a lot of money for me to spend on my skin every month. I couldn't keep up. So I bought it this month. Before you know, some of the skin products will run out. I couldn't even afford to replace them. So what is the point? You need to make sure that your budget can fund your skincare product every month without stress. I don't know if that makes sense. The thing is, let's say if you can spare £50 a month for your skin, make sure you get products that won't go above £50, right? So that you're able to use the skin products continuously. You can, when you run out, you are able to refill them or to restock them. So yes, make sure you stick on a budget. It is very, very important. Stick on a budget. If not, you apply moisturizer on your face today. Tomorrow there is no moisturizer, it's finished and you cannot afford it. Then your face will go back to square one. So make sure you have a budget that you can afford, so that you can keep buying your skin products that you use on a daily basis. Another tip I'll be sharing is for you to buy skin products according to your skin type. So don't just go to the shop and just pick whatever skin product you see on the shelf. My face is very oily, so I've got like combination. Is this combination skin they call it? But my face is oily and my skin is dry. So when I'm getting any moisturizer for my face, I make sure it is moisturizer that will help me control oil in my face. And my skin is very sensitive here. My face is very, very, very sensitive. So I go for moisturizer for sensitive skin. I don't just pick any one. So make sure you pick skin products according to your skin type. If you're dry skin, pick product that is good for dry skin. If you have sensitive skin, pick products that are good for sensitive skin. Don't just pick any product you see on the shelf. Make sure you get a skin product according to your skin type. This one is very, very funny, but also very, very important. Please apply cream to your skin properly. Guys, some of us, when we're applying moisturizer on our face or on our skin, it's as if we are fighting against principalities and power. The way we are forcing, we are just like, you're just dragging your skin, you're just like fighting. Guys, your skin is not the problem. You need to apply moisturizer, skin product to your skin properly. Read the direction at the back of the cream. It tells you how to apply it. Aveeno, this is what my daughter uses. So now I'm going to show you how to apply cream on your skin or moisturizer on your face, your body. So this is a body cream, right? So you apply like this and make sure you rub it in like until the white thing start to dissolve. You see, everything has gone into your skin. This is how you apply cream. This is how you apply moisturizer on your face or your body, any part of your body. Unlike some people will just put it like this and they just do like this and that's it. You see, when you're trying to dress and your clothes will just take this off and that's it. It's not doing what it's supposed to do. You see, everything will just go away. So make sure that you rub it in. Take your time, rub it in. You're not in a hurry. You're not fighting. It's not a war zone. It's your body. Take time. It's more. Just dedicate time for your body, right? Dedicate time for you to apply cream on your body. Don't just do it anyhow. Stop dragging it. Stop dragging. Just stop. Okay? Use body scrub. If you don't use body scrub, do you live in this planet? Like, seriously. Please use body scrub. Using body scrub helps your skin. It takes away the dead skin. You can feel how smooth your skin will become when you use it for just once. Just use body scrub. It is very important. Use body scrub on your skin. You're going to tell the difference. Another tip I'll be sharing with you is for you to drink water. I don't think there's any way I need to explain it. Just drink a lot of water. Eat healthy. What you eat helps the whole process. Eat healthy, eat vegetables, eat fiber, drink water, eat good and balanced diet. And last but not the least, sleep, rest. If you are stressed, it takes a toll on your skin. Make sure you sleep, make sure you rest. If you can, sleep well. An adult needs at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Try and get at least 6. If you're well rested, if you sleep well, you can tell with your skin, with your eyes, and do all these things and you're going to see improvement in your skin. So yes, guys, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. If you watch up to this point, and please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel for more content, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.